Hey everybody, come on in. It's time to get a little dinner going on Thursday evening. I'm going to do one of those one dish meals. Again, I'm going to do some chicken potato soup and a pan of cornbread. So here we go with the chicken. I've got 3 pounds of chicken, 3 pounds of thigh and breast meat mixed together. Y'all just chop up my thigh meat, buy some boneless thighs, make it easy on yourself. Chop it up, buy you some already deboned and filleted chicken breast. Cut them up. I got 3 pounds here that's going over here into my pot. Well, I've got 10 cups of water already boiling over here. So I'm gonna get them into the pot there. Y'all hear Noriko over there? Yes, darling. What are you doing? Over here. What do you want me to do? Oh Lord, he told me over here. I don't know what Noriko got going on. But then whatever he's got going on, it's going to have to wait for a minute. Anyway, some chicken potato soup. So, okay, I got 3 pounds of chicken in the pot. Y'all, it's ready to boil up. Now I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of, you know what it is, complete seasoning. And I'm going to dump a tablespoon of, you guessed it, onion powder. And I'm going to do just a teaspoon of garlic powder. And a teaspoon of black pepper, if I can get it open. There it is. Teaspoon of black pepper. Okay. I've got some of this herb chicken flavored seasoning, sodium free. I'm going to put a couple packs of that in just for extra flavor. And then I'm going to chop up an onion in there and I'm going to cook that chicken for about 40 minutes and it's going to be ready for me to put the rest of the ingredients to make the potato soup. Okay. Herb box. I'm going to bring it to a real hard boil and then I'll turn the heat all the way down. That looks like it's good enough to eat already, and I just put it in there. I'm going to have to add some more water, I already know, because I've been had that boiling for quite a while. So, here we go. Everything's in there ready to start boiling. I'm going to probably put 3 or 4 more cups of water.
That new episode of Star came on.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I know it's good. Okay, we'll be back in a sec with more water. Okay, we're going to get this cornbread going, y'all. This, I always use House Autry 99 9/10% of the time. I use House Autry cornmeal, so I'm just make this little square 8x8 pan of bread. I use 2.5 cups of House Autry meal if it lets me open it. This is a brand new bag. I always get it at the commissary or Food Line. Of course, it's much cheaper at the commissary. But so today I went to the commissary. Okay, so we're gonna just measure out 2 cups. 2.5 cups. It's about 5 cups in here, I believe. 5, maybe 6 cups. 2.5 cups. Okay, so that's plenty for that 8x8 pan of bread. Okay. I'm going over here and get me okay. I don't have brown sugar today, so I'm just using regular sugar. About a good heaping half cup of sugar. Okay. Sugar is sugar is sugar. Okay. Then for oil, I'm going to put this. I'm measuring this for y'all so you'll know. Somebody asked me how do I make my cornbread. I just dump. Y'all know me. Okay. Any kind of cooking oil. I do a half cup of cooking oil. Okay. And of course I put about 2 or 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I also put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in the pan. Which is like this little 8x8 pan. Preheat your oven to 375, and when you get ready to bake, it's going to bake about 20-25 minutes, or when it gets as brown as you like for it to be. Okay, the other thing that I do, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of margarine today. Usually I use butter or margarine, just add it into the mix. And forgot my eggs in there. Got to get my eggs and my milk going. Can y'all hear Norique talking to his game? He's playing, I think, Mario Brothers. Norique, are you playing Mario, or are you playing, what's the other one? Miss Pac-Man. He knows how to play Miss Pac-Man. Who knew? Oh, I know which one he's playing. He's playing, listen, he's talking about Mamma Mia and Luigi, so we know he's playing Mario Brothers. He tickles me with that. Mamma Mia. Mario. Listen how he calls Luigi. It's like him and Luigi are friends, and he'll call out to Luigi like, "Come here." That baby boy is something else with that game. Okay, y'all know I always take these little egglets off of here. Let's get them little, it's just those little white things. I don't know, I call them little babylets. Let's get them right on out of there. Okay, now, the last thing I put in, of course, is going to be my milk. I use the rest of what's in here. It's about a half cup, and all I'm going to use about a cup, a little over a cup of milk. And I've got some, I always try, if I got my evaporated milk like that, between the whole milk and evaporated, I use about 3/4 of a cup, and then I'll put some water in it, because it pretty much has enough liquid in there almost already. So I'm going to put a little bit of water, loosen it up a little bit more. And, oh, you saw me put the 2 eggs in. Okay, so it's ready in a minute. As soon as I get it mixed up real good, I got my pan in the oven heating with that oil. I like to kind of sort of heat that oil up a little bit, and then pour it in there. This helps give that bottom crust a real good crisp. So there it is. Cornbread. Comes out perfect every time for me, and they love it. Even Kylie, she got up the next morning, Monday, she was here Monday, she said, "Grandma, can I have some cornbread and ketchup?" I said, "Oh, sure." Okay, so that's it. And of course, if you want it real sweet, like cake cornbread, like my family likes it, you might want to throw you a little bit more sugar in there. Okay, so the cornbread situation is just about underway. I'm going to let that grease heat up a little bit more before I put it into the pan. Okay, time to bake this bread for about good 25 minutes. 4:41, 5 o'clock. It should be just about ready.
I want lemonade.
You want lemonade?
I want lemonade.
Okay. Okay, that chicken is just about done. I'm going to pour the potatoes in and 2 more cups of water. And at the end, I'm going to put in some chicken broth. Not sure if I'm going to put 1 can or 2. Probably 2. Okay. Let me just, so what I need to do is bring this back to a real full rolling boil, and then I'm going to add in the base of this soup, which is a creamy potato. Okay. Oops. Some kind of lunch. Let's see, what did it say? Shore lunch. I don't remember that being that name. Anyway, this calls for 8 cups of, see, it calls on the bag, it makes 8 cups of soup. I don't know, I never make it by the recipe. Anyway, the bag calls for 8 cups of water. So I'm using probably 12 because I'm adding more chicken and more seasoning into mine and some chicken broth. So go figure. So I'm gonna put my butter in and my chicken broth in last. So a couple of 15-ounce cans of chicken broth that I'm gonna add to it. I thought maybe one, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the two. So I'll have a big old full pot. This pot is huge. I mean, this pot is just like the never-ending pot. It's almost like, when is it gonna fill up? I've got 10 cups of water in there. No, 12 cups of water. And I got that 3 pounds of chicken. That pan still isn't full. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Okay, so we're gonna keep it rolling. I was just talking to y'all and I didn't even have the camera on, but what I did, I've gone ahead and put the potato soup mix in, but before I put it in, I did not put that mixture in there dry. I put about a cup and a half of water in there to wet it, because the last time I remember making this, I thought about it. When you pour that dry mixture into that hot water, it clumps and lumps, and then you got to stand there and get all those lumps and clumps out. So I poured it in there, just now poured it in. Just realized I wasn't talking to you, I was talking to myself, I guess. So we're going to let that go ahead and cook on medium-high heat. Continue to stir it so it doesn't stick to the pan, because it will, because it's so thick, because it's a starch in the whatever leveling agent they got in there, it'll stick to the pot. So you have to continually stir it to make sure that it does not stick to the bottom of that pot. Okay. Whew. Between that and that cornbread, it smells wonderful, y'all. So it ought to be ready in another 20 minutes, just like the package said. But we're gonna see. I've not been known to cook mine longer, but we'll see. Okay, y'all, there it is, that golden sweet and creamy cornbread and that creamy potato soup. Nice and rich. I don't like mine too thick, but you see it's loaded with meat. And if you want to make it thicker, just put some thickener in there or put less broth. So we're done with the chicken potato soup and the cornbread, y'all. So this is Thursday evening's dinner. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on the stove. I got a meeting I got to get out of here and go to in the next 30 minutes. So I took this one right down to the wire, y'all. So that good old creamy potato soup and golden sweet cornbread. Okay? Listen, y'all, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. And we talk every day that I say that just about it, something else new has happened. More devastation, more killings, plane crashes, and what have you. And, losing more of our kids to reckless driving and things like that. Keep our kids prayed up, and each other as well, because we don't ever know when somebody's mind snap or something goes wrong in their life and they just get devastated and do the craziest things. So until I decide to cook something again, y'all, again, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. And I hope that you all having a God blessed Thursday, and I'll see you soon. Toodaloo. Love you guys.